Microsoft Copilot for Security, User Prompt and Plugins. The process starts with a user prompt being sent to security products like Microsoft Defender XDR or Sentinel. Experts can tailor prompts to leverage Copilot's capabilities for various security tasks. For instance, an expert might prompt Copilot to investigate a suspicious endpoint activity or search for threats across user accounts. Plugins for Microsoft and third-party security products can also be included in the workflow to augment Copilot's functionality. These plugins can provide additional data sources or automate security actions. Pre-processing, grounding. Once the user prompt is received, it goes through a pre-processing stage where Microsoft Defender XDR or Sentinel leverages context and content, event logs, alerts, incidents, policies, for grounding. Grounding refers to the process of incorporating background information to a machine learning model to make its predictions more accurate. In the context of Copilot, grounding enriches the user prompt with security-specific details to enhance the accuracy of the LLM's analysis. For instance, if a user prompts Copilot to investigate a suspicious login, grounding might involve adding details about the user's typical login behavior or geographical location. Microsoft Azure OpenAI LLM. The pre-processed user prompt is then sent to Copilot, which accesses plugins for further processing. Copilot is a security solution from Microsoft that utilizes large language models, LLMs, developed by OpenAI. LLMs are a type of artificial intelligence that are trained on a massive amount of text data and are able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. After processing the prompt, Copilot sends a modified prompt to the LLM for security analysis. Experts should pay close attention to how they structure their prompts, as the quality of the input will influence the quality of the LLM's output. Responsible AI checks. Microsoft incorporates responsible AI checks throughout the workflow. This means that the input prompts and output results are checked for potential biases or fairness issues. Security experts should be aware of these checks and how they might influence Copilot's output. It's important to review the output for potential biases and refine prompts as necessary. Microsoft Defender Threat Intelligence. The LLM's response is sent back to Copilot, which once again goes through post-processing using its plugins. After post-processing, Copilot sends the response and app commands back to the security products like Microsoft Defender XDR or Sentinel for action. Security experts can analyze the response from Copilot to gain insights and identify potential security incidents. They can then use this information to take necessary actions such as isolating infected devices or remediating vulnerabilities. Security boundary. Customer data is not stored outside the compliance boundary and is not used to train foundational models. This ensures customer data privacy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.